Are you struggling with generating a Swagger API for your .NET Core project? You're not alone. Today we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when integrating Swagger into their queries. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you think everything is set up correctly, and then an error pops up out of nowhere. Here is the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently reported an error after adding swashbuckle batik to their bare-bones .NET Core Web API project. They received an ED stating that no service for type IEP description group collection, Predradamore, has been registered. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? It often happens when the necessary services for API description are not registered in the service container. We'll break down the steps to resolve this issue. And stick around. At the end of this video, I've shared a quick tip that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To resolve the issue with the missing service, the user should ensure that the necessary services for API exploration are registered. This can be done by adding the required service to the nets method. Next, the user should verify that the Swagger generator is correctly configured. This involves ensuring that the Swagger services are added after the NWC core services. Now the user needs to update the API configuration in the config method. This ensures that the API Explorer is available when Swagger is being used. Finally, the user should test the API to confirm that the Swagger UI is functioning correctly. This can be done by navigating to the Swagger UI endpoint in a web browser. Fun fact: did you know that Swagger was originally created to help developers document their packages? Now it's a must-have tool for any API project. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that for ASP.NET Core 2.2 you should add the API Explorer service. This can be done by modifying your service configuration to include the line services source. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to separate your MVC controllers and your web application into two different projects. This can help avoid the errors that occur when trying to integrate them together with Swagger UI. Here is the tip I promised: always remember to register all necessary services when setting up your API. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line, and there you have it. With these steps, your Swagger API should be up and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on .NET Core development.